This topic set will introduce you to the essentials for solving problems involving ratio and proportions and understanding the difference between direct and indirect proportions. Consider the following problem. A meter of wire produces 5.41 ohms of resistance. What length of wire will produce 100 ohms of resistance? Choose from the following options. Try the following. 4 liters of paint cover 77 square meters. How much paint will be needed to cover 982 square meters? Choose from the following options. In the previous two examples, when one quantity increased, the other quantity increased as well. These relationships are called direct variation. However, sometimes when one variable increases, the other variable will decrease. If a pulley is 30 centimeters in diameter and rotates at 2,400 RPM, what is the speed of a connected pulley with a diameter of 15 centimeters? Choose from the following options. Thanks for trying all the questions. We'll go through how to solve direct proportion and indirect proportion questions over the next series of lessons. Good luck!